How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to Rockin Adventures. Last time we were out wheeling with the Great American Crawl out at Katimsey Rocks. We articulated enough in the front where our front tire was rubbing on our bumper. So what we're going to do today is cut that back a little bit and kind of smooth it out, and hopefully we won't have that problem anymore. So let's get out to it. All right, so I've kind of drawn out a shape here. I'm going to cut this outside line right here around and kind of shape it, but you can kind of tell, right here, that where the tire's been rubbing. I definitely don't want to mess up these new tires, even though I'd like to have bigger ones, but hey, one step at a time, right? So let me get my grinder and stuff, and I will be right back. Alright, so we have it cut off now. I just need to get my flapper disc out and clean it up some, and then I'll be ready to paint, and we'll do the other side. So I'm just using barbecue grill paint because that's what I had, that's kind of flat black. So I'll hit another coat up on it here in a minute. Alright, so I had to change my cutoff wheel. I'm just going to finish cutting this one off real quick. We'll be about done. I just want to turn you around so you can see. I think that looks pretty good and do it in the driveway. I'll paint this side and we'll be all finished up, guys. All right, Johnny, how do we do, buddy? Let's go check it out. All right, so there she is. I think that looks all right. Let's see the other side. See if I can get back where you can kind of see how it flows with the body line a little bit, but whatever, that wasn't too important. I just don't want to rub my tire on it. So it's time to go flex it out. Let me find something. think I can go a little higher. Oh, that's pretty flexed out. Let's go see what it looks like on the other side. She's stuffed pretty good. I don't know if I'm on my bunt stop up there or not. It felt like it was starting to teeter-totter a little bit. So, back's in there pretty good. Ignore that trailer hitch and moving crap around here. Oh, okay, so the back's coming up. That's what it felt like. Looks like there's plenty of room there now. That's good. I can still go up a little bit. Looks like I'm on the bump stop, so that's good. All right, well, Johnny was a big help for me today. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Go ahead and like and subscribe if you like it, man. I got a lot of people watching and not as many subscribers, but hey, I understand. I'm new to this. But thank you anyways, guys, and we'll see you next time, hopefully. Later. Say bye, Johnny.